All right, so we took a look at what the competition was doing about 25 years ago, and we saw so many ways that the equipment could be mechanically improved, so many ways that you could eliminate some of the cheap stuff and really provide a premium product, and that's where the Datastroyer 240 really shines. First of all, it's got a solid steel open rotor design. That gives us increased airflow, better destruction capabilities for the weight, and a whole lot of other advantages. This clamshell design, which we're going to show you at a certain point, is going to move all the way back. That's going to give us access to all of the knives, both the rotor knives and the bed knives. With the competition's disintegrators, you can really only change some of the knives, and other knives are pretty much in there forever unless you want to disassemble the entire machine. So again, more advantages that you get with the Datastroyer product. We've also got some soundproofing inside the throat itself, and that's something that nobody else offers standard. What this is great for is sound comes from these machines. There's really no using them in an office environment. You've got to be in a warehouse or in an area designed specifically to use them. But by adding extra features, little bonuses like the soundproofing inside of the throat, inside of the mouth of the disintegrator, we really cut down the amount of sound that it creates and makes it a lot more office-friendly product. We've got a Nema 12 user operating system here. Nema 12 is the highest standard for electricals that equipment can carry. We've got that. We spared no expense with this machine. Like I said, it's a premium product. Come on in closer. I want to show you a few more things that are really close up, including that clamshell design that I was talking about. So this is also a good opportunity to take a look at the open rotor design that we use. Open rotor allows much better airflow, so you don't have to use quite as strong an evacuation system. And overall, you can get more done with a smaller disintegrator when compared to a closed rotor system. I'm Kyle Mitchell with Whitaker Brothers. Thanks for taking a trip out to our manufacturing facility to take a look at the Datastroyer 240 from Whitaker Brothers. Now, all disintegrator products are all their own projects. They're all very customized, and we can do pretty much anything you're looking for. If there's something unusual you want to destroy, we've got something that will do it. Hit us up on Twitter, Facebook, on chat. Go to the website, request a quote, contact us. We've got 100 different ways to answer any questions you've got. So feel free to reach out to us. We are the data destruction specialists. Again, my name is Kyle Mitchell with Whitaker Brothers. Thanks for watching.